Hi, it's me, Balasandra Chandru, a customer success and training specialist from OpenLearning. Need help navigating OpenLearning? No problem. Our friendly customer success team is here for you. We have prepared many helpful articles and channels to make it easy for you to contact us. Just follow these steps to access our OpenLearning Help Community section. First, open any browser and type in openlearning.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page until you see the footer section. Here, click on Help and Support to access our Help Community page. In this page, you can browse our helpful articles to learn more about how to use the Open Learning platform as an institution administrator, course creator, or a learner. Additionally, you can click Ask the Community to ask our community any questions, report an issue, or even suggest a feature to improve our platform. To reach out to us, you can click on the Contact Us to use our Contact Us form, call us using the provided numbers, email us at support@openlearning.com, or best of all, use our live chat feature, which is normally available at the bottom right corner of the course or at the institution portal, which is I'm showing right now. Just click and ask your questions. Our team is ready to answer any questions or assist with any issue you may have with our platform. You can also visit our status page here to check our operational status of all our services, add your email, and subscribe to receive updates about disruption or services availability in your regions. In this video, I will talk about OpenLearning Pedagogy, our philosophy. OpenLearning is an online learning platform that goes beyond content delivery and focus on the learner's engagement and connectedness. Let me show you some example. Using the social constructivist approach, OpenLearning strives to create a social learning environment where learners feel empowered and in the center of learning. They can share their works and ideas in various formats, videos, sound file, or even in infographic. And they can also comment to provide the peer feedback. They can also share their work, and facilitator can also provide meaningful feedback and facilitate learners' conversation. To Open learning is use the multifaceted constructivist alignment approach. Let me show you what does that mean. So, as you can see here, this is a very simple constructive alignment diagram. To ensure the contents, activities, and assessment align to the course learning outcome, we ask the questions like, what should learners be able to do or produce at the end of the course learning outcome? What do they need to know in order to do or produce it? The contents. What do they need to practice in order to do or produce it successfully? The activities. So, as you can see here, this is all some of the evidence that produced by the learners. Every artifact the learner summary is attached to their Open Learning portfolio. So let me show my Open Learning portfolio. To access your Open Learning portfolio, just go to your Open Learning icon here, the one I'm showing, and then click Portfolio. So this is where you can see all my learning evidence or my learning artifact from all courses I take in Open Learning platform. If enabled, the learners can easily share their portfolio publicly to anyone they like. If you have any further questions, just visit our Open Learning Hub community page. Till next time, bye.